Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to join Roblox Slap Battles Discord server. First of all, open your Discord and scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Add a Server and click on Join a Server. In this invite link box, we have to write the server link, and the Slap Battles Discord server link is discord.gg/, and type here Slap Battles and click on Join Server. And now select what would you like to do in the Slap Battles community, and you can select multiple options like this and click on Next and read and agree to server rules and click on Finish, and you will directly jump into the official Slap Battles Discord server. Here click on Verify your Roblox account to gain access and click on Verify with Blocks link. And once you verified successfully, then you can easily use these Slap Battles Discord server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.